In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to create a rule of thirds grid in Adobe Premiere Pro and save it as a reusable template. This works for any standard sequence, and the process is quick once you know where everything is. First, download the rule of thirds grid image from the video description. Next, import this image into your project. Then drag it onto your timeline. From the Program Monitor, click on the Settings icon and enable Show Rulers. Then enable Show Guides, and drag guides out from the rulers to place vertical lines evenly across the frame. As you drag, you'll see position values and the target lines on the image so you can line them up accurately. Once the vertical guides are in place, you can add horizontal guides the same way. Once your grid looks right, the final step is saving it as a template. Go back to the View menu, open the Guides Templates options, and choose to save the current guides as a template. Give it a clear name and confirm. Now your rule of thirds grid is saved. Anytime you need it again, you can clear the guides, return to the Guides Templates menu, select your saved template, and instantly bring the grid back. That's all there is to it. This makes framing shots faster and more consistent in any project. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.